over 1 million wildlife vehicle collisions occur annually in North America. Most of these incidents happen at night or dawn when visibility is at its worst. The problem isn't driver carelessness, it's delayed perception. Humans take about 2 full seconds to react to an unexpected hazard. At 60 miles per hour, that's nearly 180 feet traveled before braking even starts. On rural roads with limited lighting, that delay is the difference between a close call and a fatal collision. LumiPath closes that gap by detecting danger long before the human eyes can.
LumiPath is a multi-layer, solar-powered sensor network embedded alongside roads. Each unit fuses data from thermal infrared imagers, LiDAR, and radars to perceive motion, heat, and distance. The information is processed locally on an AI microcontroller, analyzed in milliseconds, and translated into dynamic lighting cues through embedded LEDs.
Each LumiPath sensing node combines 3 main systems. The first is the thermal camera, a heat-sensing camera that detects body warmth from animals and people. It works in total darkness, fog, and low visibility, and can tell warm animals apart from the cooler surroundings. The second is the LiDAR and radar module. The LiDAR sends out short laser pulses to measure distance very accurately. Radar helps by detecting objects through rain, fog, and dust, where cameras and lasers can have trouble. The last is the power and communication system. Solar panels charge a long-lasting battery. Each node sends data using long-range wireless links, allowing all nodes to connect and automatically reroute signals if one goes offline. Data from all sensors is combined using onboard AI processing. By using multiple sensors together, the system greatly reduces false alerts caused by headlights, moving plants, or sensor noise.
Our Edge AI runs a lightweight convolutional neural network trained on thousands of thermal frames. It performs real-time animal classification, size estimation, and trajectory prediction directly on the roadside unit. When an object crosses a confidence threshold, the node sends a Level 1, Level 2, or Level 3 proximity alert, depending on the distance and estimated mass. Latency stays under 100 milliseconds, a fraction of a second, allowing drivers to receive warnings early enough to matter. Meanwhile, longer-term data flows to the cloud, where migration patterns and high-risk zones are mapped for conservation agencies and transportation planners.
The final layer is the driver interface, the road itself. Our LumiPaint coating incorporates UV-stable photoluminescent microcrystals. These pigments absorb solar energy during the day and emit a uniform non-glare glow at night, improving lane visibility with limited use of electricity. Embedded along the pavement are RGB LEDs. When the AI triggers an alert, they flash in color-coded patterns, yellow, amber, or red depending on the proximity of the animal, providing an intuitive signal directly in the driver's line of sight. Because the system runs on solar power with intelligent duty cycling, average energy consumption remains under 2 watts per node.
You have to be mindful of the access points and how those animals are going to travel to you. And if there is a chance that they're going to be crossing major intersections, streets, highways, things like that, you have to take that into consideration.
And a lot of it is more relative to deer, because deer have such a higher impact on the vehicle collision side of it.
Beyond safety, the collected detection data supports wildlife migration mapping and insurance analytics, turning every road into a research instrument.
I think you have the ability to really kind of change the landscape of wildlife collisions because it goes further than just looking at what's happening on the road. You have to kind of branch out and look at what's happening in that little ecosystem.
From photonic sensing to AI decision-making, every layer of LumiPath is engineered for one goal: smarter, safer, more sustainable roads. By merging optoelectronics, machine learning, and renewable energy, we're lighting the path to a brighter tomorrow. LumiPath. Smarter roads, brighter tomorrow.